My name is Andy DiGiacomo. I'm a wholesale sales rep here at Weston Wholesale in Hopkinton. Been in the industry for about 20 years, and this is my third season at Weston. The legacy is really cool to me. That was one of the biggest things when I took this job too, of just they've been around forever. Everybody knows the name. You have your PJM, you literally can travel anywhere and you'll see a PJM. You can still see some of the grow fields up there, which is really cool. And we just took over our 6th location too, so we just keep expanding.
My name is Luis Leonardo Alvarez Nunez. I've been working since 2003 in Western Nurseries. We do everything here, you know. 1 second somebody's asking me about fertilizer for the grass seed, and the next second I got a customer who wants like 10 pallets of Cambridge. And then the other 10 minutes, hey, I need sod. Hey, I need some annuals. Hey, can you take some pictures about planters? So we do everything here.
I've been in the industry since I was probably 8 years old, 7 or 8 years old. I've worked here since 2013. I'm in my 12th year now. I work with 2 great guys, Leo and Andy. Everybody kind of works together, collaborative, a lot of camaraderie, which is good. It's not individuals trying to do everything for themselves.
So everything is connected together. You know, it's not just Leo here or Leo there. No, this guy, they can fix problems without telling them. They know exactly what to do. That's a big difference that we have here versus other guys.
So here at Weston Wholesale, we sell everything from annuals, perennials. We grow a lot of natives now. We sell shrubs, trees, stone, tools, ladders. We sell bulk material as well. Everything for any season you need, we're here for you. You come here for a plant and then you're like, oh wait, I actually wanted to build a patio. Now I'm here for this stuff too.
I'd say the biggest thing that drew me to Weston Nurseries would be the availability, the multiple locations. If something's not available, it's in pretty fast. But for the most part, I would say Weston Nurseries has the best selection. And I mean, we've given all our business to Weston Nurseries for 2 years.
I feel very good about what I put on the truck to go out of here. I always try to get everything tagged and looked at it. Quality has improved so much in the past 12 years. It's good to see a business that is changing, expanding, diversifying, you know, a lot of good future here.
The reputation that we have, greatest plant in that time when we used to go to the fields and dig it by hands. I was one of them, by the way. They really trust all the quality of the plant material that we have.
I've been shopping here in the past 6 years. The reason that I came here all the time is because the quality, the service, they're always friendly. They have everything in stock. So that's what our contractor is looking for.
I would say our most popular and unique products would be probably our trees and shrubs. We're also now known for growing our own natives, and that's been a real big hit lately. A lot of people are getting into natives, but I would definitely say a lot of our trees and shrubs, we have some more unique stuff than some of our competitors. So,
in an ever-changing world of horticulture where things have become, you know, I remember when I started with my father and then learned to landscape in the 90s, it was hollies, rhododendrons, yews, and that was it. The world's changed. It's all about native flowers now, native plant, and Andy has helped us evolve into that and helped our customers with their ever-changing needs.
I've been a customer at Weston Nurseries, probably steady for at least 15 years. Like the quality of their plant material. It's easy place to come and shop at. Salespeople help you right away. You can get in, get out. You don't have to wait a long period of time.
People have the confidence that they come back, even though there's someplace close to them. The name, the history. I think it gives them a feeling of confidence. It's a company that's been around for a long time. When I started here, I had customers that came up from the Cape that were in their 80s that have since retired. But I was always surprised, you know, every year I get someone who comes in here, says, I've been coming here for 22 years or something like that, or I've been coming here since 1952.
I got customers, they've been with me since I started selling plants. Always you tell your customer what you can do, because they trust to you. So that trust is very important, because if you fail the first or the second, I don't think so those guys, they will be giving you a third chance. They move on and get somebody else to help them out or go to another nursery.
You know, my father started this business over 40 years ago, and he had a relationship with other nurseries, and I kind of switched allegiances just because I enjoyed working with Weston.
We all have our own customer base. Myself, I know what my customer base was looking for. I have customers that they want quality, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I have customers, they don't want to see it branch 2 feet up, they want it branched to the ground. You know, over the years I've learned what the customer wants, and if there's a problem, I let the customer know that, hey, this doesn't look so bad, but I'm going to substitute this. It's very similar, or it's a size larger or a size smaller.
The guys do want to come out here and see like the trees themselves, but then I have a lot of other customers that just trust me, and if something doesn't look good, I'll make a sub for them.
I mean, we did many large plantings last year. They're living things. When I plant, I kind of expect to replace some bushes, and our replacement rate has been, I'd say, 1 or 2%. And the quality, even when they arrive to our job sites, has been great. I deal with Andy 95% of the time. You know, I reach out to him, he gets right back, whether it's text or email, phone calls. I actually got his personal number the other day, so he might regret that. We run fast, and Andy's been able to keep up with us, and he's been great.
I have some of the best customers around. It's really nice to collaborate with them and stuff too. I like to go out to the job sites and meet with them. I'm always available.
You can buy wholesale from right here in Hopkinton, Middleborough, Chelmsford, Hingham, Lincoln. The majority of the stock is here in Hopkinton. Middleborough is another big yard they have down there. They have a lot of stock, a lot of selection there as well.
In order to be a wholesale customer, you would have to apply. You can go right online to westonwholesale.com. There's an application process, and then we usually turn around pretty quickly, and then you'll get assigned a wholesale sales rep.